Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've just received your shiny new OCBC 365 credit card for 2025, you're probably eager to start using it for rewards, cashback, and everyday perks. Activating your card is super straightforward and only takes a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can get up and running without any hassle. First things first, why activate right away? It unlocks your card's features and ensures your account is secure. Let's dive in. Step 1. Unbox your card and check for any activation codes or instructions in the package or your email. These are crucial for verification. Next, download the OCBC mobile app from your app store. It's free and user-friendly. Once installed, open the app and log in with your existing OCBC account details. If you're new, you'll need to create an account using your personal information. Now, head to the Cards section in the app. Look for the activation option, enter your card number, and follow the prompts. You'll likely need to verify your identity via a one-time SMS code sent to your registered phone number. Make sure your phone is handy. If you prefer not to use the app, you can activate via the OCBC website by logging in and navigating to the card services page, or call the customer helpline for assisted activation. Whichever method you choose, the process is designed to be quick and secure. One tip: double-check that your contact details are up to date to avoid any delays. If you run into issues, like an error message, don't panic. Just contact OCBC support through the app or their website for help. And there you have it. Once activated, you can start swiping for those amazing 2025 rewards. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and happy spending.